In today's volatile business climate, risks lurk around every corner, threatening to derail even the most well-laid plans. But what if you could turn those risks into opportunities? That's the power you'll unlock as a certified risk management professional. Organizations that fail to effectively identify, assess, and mitigate risks often find themselves paying a heavy price in the form of financial losses, operational disruptions, and reputational damage. Employees left unaware of risk management best practices are a liability, exposing your company to significant vulnerabilities. But fear not, this certification course is your ticket to becoming a risk management maverick. Through interactive case studies and hands-on exercises, you'll master the art of risk identification, assessment, and mitigation, learning to navigate even the most complex risk landscapes with confidence. Imagine the peace of mind you'll experience as you present your risk management strategies to stakeholders, armed with data-driven insights and actionable recommendations. Your organization will sleep soundly, knowing that a proactive risk management strategy is in place, safeguarding against costly risk events and ensuring business continuity. Don't let risks dictate your organization's future. Seize the opportunity to become a certified risk management professional today and unlock a world of risk resilience.